So you might be in a situation where for some reason there's like random lines on your particular Android screen. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing and the main thing that this could actually mean is that typically there can be some like a random lines going around on your particular device. So what this basically means is that your particular phone is either having a hardware issue or some some glitches or something like that. So the first thing I'd recommend doing here is to just go through and reboot your phone. So if there's random lines that are kind of going through, hold down the buttons that you normally would to go ahead and restart your phone and try restarting it. You would not believe how often this can actually just end up fixing the problems, and I would recommend just doing this. Like I said, this isn't the easiest thing to do. I mean, this is the easiest way to fix it. It may not fix it for everybody, but if it's not a hardware problem, that might end up fixing it. Now, if your phone reboots and let's say these lines are still on it, most probably it is a hardware problem. So maybe you accidentally threw your phone down or you threw it across the table or something like that. And if the lines started populating after that, then that probably means that your particular phone has a hardware problem, and you're going to have to get that fixed in order for it to kind of, you're going to have to take it into the Google store, send it to them in order for them to fix it and replace the display. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, like let's say it's sometimes on and sometimes off, what you can do is you can try updating your Android device. So you make your way over to your settings application, which is right here. You're going to make your way over to the bottom page right here, so you can click on System. What you want to do then is you want to click on Software Updates. You want to click on System Update, and all you're going to want to do is basically download and install the latest update available for your device, and that might end up fixing the problem too. If that still doesn't end up working, another thing that might end up fixing it is to just go through and see if there's an application that's causing it in particular. So if you open up a specific app and then your display starts being weird, it might be a specific problem with that particular application. You can try updating that app, reinstalling it. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.